Did you know that if you're paying 12% interest or more on your current vehicle financing, you are eligible for a reverse car loan? Yes, Canadian vehicle owners paying 12% or more on their car loan can now take advantage of a brand new option, allowing them to refinance their current vehicle at a lower interest rate and use the money to lower their car payments or pay their vehicle faster. It's called a reverse car loan, and it's offered exclusively through SafeLend Canada. We simply find you a lender ready to offer you a lower rate, repay your previous car loan, cancel all its obligations, and you get to save money. All you need to do to take advantage of this reverse car loan program is to visit SafeLend.ca and use our free tool to calculate your savings. It will only take you 30 seconds, and you won't need to share any personal information to calculate your potential savings. Once done, you'll be able to request your reverse car loan with one easy click if you decide the program is a good fit for you. Why pay more than you have to? Visit SafeLend.ca.